Okay, so this is the amount of money that I've got with the help of these websites, and it's only last week, guys. So if you follow the steps, if you use these websites that I'm about to show you, you can get the same. So hit that subscribe button and let's go and do it. Of course, this method will work all around the world, guys. You can get a lot of money with this. In fact, wherever you come from, write me down in the comment section below so I can make some specific videos based on your own region, okay? So now let's go and make that money. You maybe know and you maybe don't know about this website, which is called Toloka. Okay, you can get paid to make an impact, and there is a lot of tasks in here which you can do for a lot of money. You can see, for example, you can outline images and videos, and that is only one. So for example, they will tell you just make a square or a box around traffic lights, and this is used for some LiDAR technology, and for some other AI learning, but you don't care what this is used for. You get a lot of money for it, and trust me, it is very easy. You just use your mouse or keyboard and you do a lot of these tasks. So you have image and video, as you can see, you have text, you can just classify text in certain topics and categories, and you have some audio files as well. So you can just categorize by mood, theme, instrument, and so on. And of course, you have city tasks. Now, this is maybe the most fun way to get some money because you can collect offline data in your city, okay? So this is like you walking down the aisles or you walking down the street and completing these fun tasks, which can get you a lot of money. And of course, there are a lot of these information and surveys. You can do a lot of them. So guys, you can just make a lot of money, guys. Just take a look at this. Reasons to sign up. So you have simple tasks and you don't need to have any special skills or education. So basically, everyone can do this. You can just sit down on your computer or you can use this on your phone. You can just get this on Google Play and just take a look at this, guys. 10 million downloads. Now, this only speaks for itself. Just take a look at the rating, 4.4 out of 5. There is a lot of money on this website, so you can't miss this opportunity. And the app is really good looking. So you can see, guys, you get 10 cents for saying if there are certain people in the picture. And that's it, guys. That's all that you have to do. So are there people in the picture? You just click yes, and that's it. 10 cents are yours. That's really good, guys. So you can see you can find some typos in the text. You can just go and you can collect this in your city. You have a map of money, and you can see that there is a lot of money to be made if you just invest a bit of your time. Of course, you can get PayPal, Payoneer. Those accounts are needed if you want to get paid, and that's it, guys. Now hit that subscribe button if you like our channel. Thank you. Of course, don't you think that there isn't an app for the App Store? Just take a look at this, 4.5 out of 5, and I don't know why this page isn't Russian or whatever this is. You can definitely change it back to English, but whatever the case, you can use this on your mobile so you can do these tasks on the go. And just take a look at this, guys. Fast payments. That's what I like. I like that money to come to us fast. We don't have to wait around. You get a lot of money fast and you get your earnings quickly and easily, guys. And of course, I have mentioned this mobile app, and of course, complete as many tasks as you want from anywhere, guys. So basically, you decide how much do you want to work on this. So you can do like, I don't know, 2 hours, 3 hours. You can do this for 15 minutes, and that's gonna get you money. Now, how does this work? So you just have to take a few minutes to sign up. It is free, of course. You will complete a quick training set to learn how to do a particular type of task, because some of these tasks need a bit of a training, but of course, it's really easy. You don't have to worry about it. You have these like testimonials. And what I like about this website is that you have freedom and flexibility, guys. That's all that you have, guys. So if you want to join Toloka today, just click on Start Earning Money on the bottom of the page. Just log in. You can log in with Google or Facebook. That's gonna be easier and faster. So when you log in, this is gonna be the page that you're gonna be redirected to. And just click on Start Earning Money. Then complete this simple information about yourself. Click on Continue and then start doing those tasks, okay? Now in here, you can see that while you are doing your basic information test, you can see what languages can you perform tasks in, because sometimes you need to take a language proficiency test before starting a task. And this is good, guys, if you speak any other language apart from English, okay? So you can see that if the language is on this list, blessed and you are coming from that country, well, you are blessed because you can do double the amount of tasks, okay? So there are a lot of languages, so you can just choose for yourself based on which country are you coming from. Now it's simple like that. Go and do these tasks and of course get a lot of money for yourself by doing these. But now I want to show you one more website which is like timebucks.com, and it is really cool. You have some micro tasks on this website as well, and as you can see, you can post on Facebook, you can view funny slideshows, you can play games, and you can be satisfied just like these people on Trustpilot. All 3.5, it's a pretty good rating. A lot of people are satisfied on this website. As you can see, a lot of these good honest reviews, and trust me, you can make a lot of money in here. Just make yourself an account and then you will enjoy all of these features that they have on this website. They have weekly payouts, and that's maybe something that I don't like. I mean, I like to get my money each day, but it's okay if you are fine with this. You can just start right now, and after 7 days, whatever you earn, you will get that money to your account. Of course, you have these daily bonuses as well, and once you log in, this is the dashboard that you're going to be greeted with. So first of all, you can see that you can get 15% commission on the lifetime earnings of anyone you refer to this website. So my suggestion is that you go and you just invite a few of your friends, okay? Someone on your friend list is want to go on this website and try to earn some money for himself or herself as well. So you can just get 15% passive income if they do these tasks. And these tasks are also really, really good, really simple to do. You have surveys, content tasks, push links, refer, and of course, the thing which I really like about this website are these sweepstakes, okay? So just take a look at this, what is being drawn in here. So winners are drawn at 12 a.m. Friday each week, and if you are the first place, you get $250, guys. Now, that is some crazy free money if you ask me, and all that you have to do is you have to complete these tasks, okay? So this reward is for the most active user during 1 week. So each week you have an opportunity to get that money. If you're second, you get $50 for free. Third place gets you $30 and so on. And you can repeat that each week, okay? So each week at 12 a.m. Friday, the winners are being drawn and the prizes are given out, okay? So just imagine, guys, if you could get like $250, for example, 2 times a month, maybe you win this 2 times a month, well, that's some nice income just from these sweepstakes. And of course, you all get money from these tasks already, so this is just a bonus. Of course, tasks here can be done on your iPhone, iPad, Android. You can do whatever you want. There are a lot of these tasks, so you just have to go and invest your time and of course get a lot of that money.